Oh, I'm back in London today. Basically, it's a really nice day, so I thought I'd come out with the camera and do a walk I haven't done for a little while, which is actually the whole of the South Bank. So I'm going to be walking from the London Eye, which is where I currently am now, all the way down to Tower Bridge. I'm going to see what I can find, and basically I've got my Nikon D3500 camera and my 18 to 140mm lens. Just going to see what I can find. I mean, I might be mad because obviously it's insane down here today, but silly not to take much of the weather. So I invite you to follow along with me, and we'll see what we can find. Okay, that's it. I've actually come out for the afternoon down to London, down the South Bank, as you can see. It's very busy. This is probably due to the weather we've been having, and also the fact that basically this is the first weekend the kids have actually been off from school. So you can see we've got Big Ben and House Farm over there. But we're going to head down from here now, down to Tower Bridge. And hopefully along the way we're going to find some bits of street photography maybe. Because if the sun comes out and plays ball, like some light and shadow. So if you can get some pockets of light places and maybe people and silhouette them. But really just a nice little walk. No real plan, just see what we can find. Like I said, I'm going to be shooting everything today on my 18 to 140mm lens on my Nikon D3500, sorry. And also I've got my camera set to aperture priority, and I'm going to basically working basically on controlling my f-stop obviously, to make sure I can get wherever I want in focus, or if I want in shadow depth field, I'll still have to control that as well. But I've got my sensitivity set on my camera, so basically I don't have to worry about the shutter speed or the ISO. My shutter speed is a minimum of 250th, and my ISO is set to my range, which I know I can get away with my camera. Otherwise it starts to bring too much grain into the image, and obviously it's not going to be always nice to look at or usable. Also, as I go today, I shouldn't need to be coming that high. It's a nice bright day, so it should be good. Obviously when you come down here, you have to get the obligatory shot of the city with St Paul's. I think I might even just go down to the beach now and actually take a walk, see if we can see anything on the beach. This is one good thing about London, obviously. When the tide's out in the summer, you just take a little walk along the beach, and sometimes get some shots you wouldn't usually get. So I'm just going to take it all down here. Probably not got the right footwear today, but take advantage while we can. Frame in a frame here. Simple, so let's see if we can get that. Just waiting for the boat to move out of the way because I don't want half a boat in the picture. So just frame it up. So I have got these shots before, but so you never know, you might always get that one which is slightly different, and you may just like look a bit better. Another iconic shot of St Paul's framing, using the bridge to do framing. Right, I actually took a detour into the Tate, basically on the walk. Unfortunately, I've been moaned at before in there for filming, so I didn't film in there today, but any pictures I've actually taken I will show you now. Okay, I'm going to continue the walk now down the South Bank towards Tower Bridge. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully the light is better for me now, because unfortunately as I went, the actual light went in, so we do down here. Might take the obvious shot here, obviously again, of St Paul's, but from the other side of the bridge, and then we'll carry on the walk. All the time I'm walking along, I'm still looking for street photography opportunities, even though I still get a bit apprehensive when taking them, because I feel that basically I'm intruding on people still. I need to get over that bit. I keep trying to, as I sort of line up the shot. I think they actually notice me, and I seem to sort of just shy away from it. So I am trying to get around that problem. But yeah, it's going to take time, that one. I mean, if any of you do street photography at all and you have hints and tips of what you can do to get around these problems, or what you do maybe, please let me know in the comments, because I'm really happy to take on board any help or advice that you can give me. You get the obligatory shot of the shard now as well, just in case I don't get any other shots.
Sí, no, las fotos no quedan muy lindas.
Okay, I've now arrived at More One London, and unfortunately it's been a bit uneventful today. I mean, I've really enjoyed going out with the camera and just getting out for the afternoon, but it's just been so busy, not really seen anything to take photographs of. I mean, if I have taken any photographs, hopefully I will show you through the video. But I'm just going to do like the normal obligatory shots here of Tower of London and Tower Bridge, and then basically I'll find somewhere and we'll wrap up the video. So there's the obligatory Tower of London shot. And also Tower Bridge as well. Now I'll take any shots hundreds of times, but I'll keep taking them. As always, I do appreciate everyone watching these videos, and obviously if you have enjoyed watching this far, I really do appreciate it, because as I say, it does help the channel, and especially if you could like, comment and subscribe, and that will actually really help with the video as well. I just want comments, because as I say, I want to try and build up a bit of a community of people, and you know, you might find other photographers, same situation as me, trying to learn the craft, and actually are sort of living in Kent or London, and we can maybe just collaborate a bit, go out together just with the cameras, not necessarily saying come on YouTube with me, just go out with the cameras, hopefully learn a bit from each other, because I've still got a long way to go, and I really want to progress. Like I said, if I have got any pictures, I will be showing you those hopefully along the way. Well, you've already seen them already, obviously, because it's it wrapping up the video. And we're down at the normal sites, obviously, of More London, where we've got the shots of the Shard and Tower Bridge. So I'm going to do a couple of shots here, because I like this building. It's the right Warehouse Group building, which I have taken pictures of before. It's the one that a lot of people nickname the back building, but if you photograph in such a way you can get a reflection of the actual building itself in the windows, and it looks like a back signal. So I can take that now as well and show you it as well. Okay, so I'm now down Tower Bridge, and obviously it's the end of the video. I've enjoyed coming out this afternoon, especially with the camera. Unfortunately not got many shots I thought maybe, because it's been too busy, but any of the shots I would have taken you would have seen already throughout the video. And as always, if you've watched it this far, I really do appreciate it, and if you want to see more or you have any ideas you'd like me to do, please comment. I'm always open for ideas, and please like and subscribe, because it also really helps the channel and helps me as well, to actually hopefully build the community I want to do. And I will see you all in the next video.